Hey guys, Ben Graham here again, your local leader, bringing yet another small business shout out right here in South Chandler. I am at Hand and Stone Massage and Facial Spa, about to head in and chat with Matt, the general manager of this fantastic local business. Let's head on inside. I'm over at Hand and Stone Massage and Facial Spa with Matt, the manager, to talk about what their local business has to offer. Matt?
Hey, how are you, Ben? Thanks for coming in and seeing us. I really appreciate you coming in and visiting us today.
Sure, absolutely. So, Matt, what are you guys known for here?
So, Hand and Stone Massage and Facial Spa, we do massages, facials, and waxing services at affordable pricing. Our goal is to give world-class customer service with the client's focus in mind.
Awesome. Do you guys do any unique massages?
Everything is fully customized to what the client's looking for. So whether that's deep tissue, reflexology, trigger point, even Swedish. So everything's fully customized to what the client's looking for.
Excellent. And I understand that we're going to get to see a facial today.
Absolutely.
Somebody wanted to book an appointment with you guys, how would they do that?
So they can either visit us on our website, easy portal there to book appointments with us, or they could always call the spa as well.
Perfect. And how long have you guys been around?
We opened in May of 2016 in this community of Chandler and have loved it ever since.
You were just telling me off camera, but I gotta hear this on camera about your guys' flexible membership.
Absolutely. So our membership is something where our clients can come in and receive a massage or a facial once a month. The good thing about our membership is you're not locked into anything long term. It's just a month-to-month agreement with us. So you're actually in charge of how long you're a member here. If you're not able to come in for a service one month, that service just rolls over to the next month, so you never lose anything you pay for. So it's completely flexible for the client's needs.